In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Jira with ChatGPT step by step, so you can start using AI directly inside your Jira workflow to write better issue descriptions, summaries, and more. This integration is perfect for product managers, developers, scrum masters, and agile teams who want to save time and improve clarity in their Jira tickets. We'll go through the entire process from start to finish, and by the end of this video, you'll have ChatGPT running inside Jira. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software and productivity guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Jira dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the Jira account where you want to install the ChatGPT integration. This should be the Jira instance you actively use for your projects and boards. Once your Jira dashboard loads, take a moment to confirm you have admin or app installation permissions, because installing apps from the Atlassian Marketplace requires the right access level. Next, look at the top navigation bar in Jira and click on the More option. This will open a drop-down menu with additional settings and tools. From this menu, click on Apps. This section allows you to manage and discover integrations that extend Jira's functionality. After clicking on Apps, you'll be redirected to the Atlassian Marketplace. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and wait for the results to load. You should see several apps related to AI and automation, but the one we're looking for is ChatGPT for Jira. Once you find ChatGPT for Jira in the search results, click on it to open the app's details page. Here, you can review the features, screenshots, pricing, and user reviews. This is a good moment to confirm that this app fits your needs and supports your Jira version. Now, click on the Try It Free button. This allows you to install the app using a free trial, so you can test the integration before committing to a paid plan. Jira will now guide you through the installation flow. Next, click on Review. Jira will show you the permissions the app is requesting. Take a moment to read through them so you understand what access the app will have within your Jira environment. Once you're comfortable, proceed to the next step. Finally, click on Start Free Trial. Jira will begin installing ChatGPT for Jira into your workspace. This process usually only takes a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, the ChatGPT features will be available directly inside Jira issues. After installation, open any Jira issue and look for the ChatGPT options. You can now use AI to generate issue descriptions, improve summaries, rewrite acceptance criteria, and get help brainstorming tasks, all without leaving Jira. This can significantly speed up your workflow and improve communication across your team. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jira with ChatGPT. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.